Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you how you can customize your always on display. So you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down, find always on display on the lock screen, tap on the always on display, for sure turn it on. At the first we can customize display items, so we can go schedule for 10 seconds after tapping or always, and that's what I'm going to set up always, and also turn off when battery saver is on. I'm going to unselect this option. Next we can choose our theme. I will take, for example, this one. When we are here we can change color of the captions. We can display items like battery and the notifications, so we can turn it on or turn it off. Let's enable and tap apply to adjust it. Take a look right now. As you can see, there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.